Imagine staring up at the night sky on a crisp, clear evening. The stars are scattered across the darkness like tiny diamonds, each one a distant sun, each one a potential home. I remember doing just that as a child, lying on the grass in my backyard, trying to count them all. Of course, I never got very far, but it was always a magical experience. Back then, I used to wonder if somewhere far away there might be other kids just like me, gazing back, wondering the same thing. Now, many years later, that childlike curiosity has grown into a fascinating question shared by scientists around the world. Is there life beyond our planet? And if so, what might it look like? What might it be like to share our universe with unknown neighbors? To explore these questions, we turn our gaze to exoplanets, those mysterious planets that orbit stars outside our own solar system. The first time I heard about exoplanets, it was like discovering hidden chapters in a book I thought I knew so well. These are worlds beyond our own, some similar to Earth, others wildly different. Scientists have found many of them in what's called the habitable zone, a comfortable distance from their star where liquid water might exist. And where there's water, there's the possibility of life, at least as we know it. Take, for instance, the planet Kepler 452b, lovingly dubbed Earth's cousin. It's located over 1,400 light-years away, so it's quite a long distance relative. But it orbits a star similar to our Sun and sits right in the habitable zone. The thought of a place so far away with conditions that might support life as we know it is nothing short of exhilarating. But what would life on such a planet look like? It's a question that stretches our imagination. Here on Earth, life has adapted to the most extreme environments, from the scorching heat of deserts to the crushing depths of the ocean. I once read about tiny creatures called tardigrades that can survive in the most inhospitable places. They're like Earth's own little alien ambassadors, showing us how resilient life can be. So when we think about life on exoplanets, our minds might wander to the smell of alien flowers or the taste of fruits that grow under different skies. Imagine walking on the surface of one of these worlds. The air tingles with unfamiliar scents. The ground feels different beneath your feet. The colors might seem more vivid or perhaps more muted, depending on the light from their sun. It's a sensory experience beyond our wildest dreams. But there's more to this exploration than just imagining. It's about identity and purpose. What would it mean for us as a species to discover we are not alone? Would it change how we see ourselves, how we treat each other here on Earth? When the idea of life on other planets moves from the realm of science fiction to science fact, it could unite us with a shared identity as citizens of the cosmos. I remember a family road trip when I was younger. We drove through miles and miles of countryside, feeling small, and yet part of something vast and interconnected. That same feeling washes over me when I think about our place in the universe. Discovering alien life could be like that road trip, a journey that connects us more deeply to the cosmos and to each other. Yet in our search for alien life, there's also a deeper reflection on what life truly means. If we found life on an exoplanet, even if it were just microbial, it would be a profound reminder that life is tenacious, that it seeks to exist in the most unlikely places. Perhaps in a way, it tells us that life is an inevitable part of the universe's narrative, a natural consequence of the cosmic dance. The journey to understanding alien life is as much about inner exploration as it is about outer discovery. It invites us to look up with wonder, to feel the interconnectedness of all things. It's about recognizing the beauty and fragility of life on our own planet, and by extension, on those faraway worlds. As we continue to search the stars, sending out signals and peering through powerful telescopes, the universe whispers back, inviting us to keep our eyes open and our hearts curious. Perhaps one day we'll find the answer we're seeking. Until then, The dream of alien life on exoplanets continues to inspire wonder, connecting us to the endless possibilities that lie beyond our earthly horizon. And maybe that's the most beautiful part of all, the journey of wonder itself.